Got some new takedown and pivot pins. Strike Industries. I'm going to put them in. Another little enhancement on the AR. What the heck? Pretty cool. These are Strike Industries, I said. Happen to get these from wingtactical.com. They're out in Cali. I'm going to use my handy dandy pivot pin spring and detent installation tool. That's a pretty cool little deal here. So we'll give that a go. We're going to put them in. Stand by. Alright, so we're going to use our handy dandy tool. We're going to bring it in here as soon as we do this right here. Put a little punch in there. Goes in that hole right there. And get it in there. Push that back. That little detent. Push that back. And rotate your original pin there. Pull that out. Keep that like that. And as you're pushing this old pin out, you want to keep these together real tight because you don't want your little detent thingy to fly. So you do that right there. That captures that. It's pretty simple, really. We're going to take the new pin, the Strike Industries pivot pin. I put a little grease in there for future reference. Push these together. Push that one in. Turn that. Shamalama ding dong. That one's installed. Alright, so we're going to loosen our castle nut. I'm just going to take the pressure off of that spring that holds that detent in there. This should move back. Take my little punch and get in there. Gonna see if I can't take some of that pressure off of there. Out she comes. And put that right in there. Just like that. Push this back up. So here, click in there. Push that back forward. Tighten up our nut. Make sure our pin works. Yeah, it's a lot easier to get a hold of than those standard mil-spec pins. Push that out. Got a little bit of a surface area there, a little groove. Get your fingernail in. Pretty nice. Now all we gotta do is put our upper on, see if she works. So there's the finished product. Looks pretty good. Pretty good deal, man. Got those $14.95 free shipping from Wing Tactical. That is all.